Hi everyone, I'm Vijay Durga. The topic of today's video is geometric proof of identities. First of all, what are identities? An identity is an equation that is true no matter what values are chosen. For example, let's prove it in the first case. A plus B whole square equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now let me take two values for A and B. Let's take A equals to 10 and B equals to 3. Let's see if this is true for the identity. For on the LHS is A plus B whole square, that is 10 plus 3 whole square. So I get 13 whole square, which is 169. So LHS is 169. On the right hand side we have A square plus B square plus 2AB, that is A square is 10 square plus B square is 3 square plus 2 into A is 10 and B is 3. Now 10 square will be 100, 3 square will be 9, 2 into 30. Now I get 109 plus 230 is 60, that is 169. So RHS we got 169. LHS equals to RHS. So hence proved. Identities are the value which are true no matter what value is chosen for A and B also. We can prove identities using geometric method also. So let's see how we can prove them. Let's see the geometric proof of identity A plus B whole square equals A square plus B square plus 2AB. For this, I have considered a square of A, B, C, D. Now, the side of square will be A plus B. I have divided this square into 4 different parts, 2 squares and 2 rectangles. Which of side A and B. Now, taking the area of A, B, C, D, I will get A plus B whole square, because A, B, C, D is a square. So, I will get A, B, C, D whole square as the area of A, B, C, D square. Now, A plus B whole square will be the LHS of our required proof. Now, let's see how we can get the RHS. I will divide this into 1 part, 2, 3 and 4 parts. Now let's individually write down the parts of the area of parts 1, 2, 3, 4. So area of first part will be, it is the square of side A. So the area will be A square. And area of second part. Second part is a rectangle with length A and breadth B. So length into breadth A into B. And the area of third one is as well rectangle with a length and breadth A and B respectively. Now area of third one will be AB. And area of fourth one is a square with side B. So area of fourth will be B square. So if I want the area of whole A, B, C, D, I need to add the area of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So area, total area will be area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of 3 plus area of 4. So total area I will write it down as A plus B whole square, and area of first one is A square, area of second one will be AB plus area of third one is AB as well, and area of fourth will be B square. So let's solve this. A square plus AB is 2AB plus B square. So if we rearrange it, we can get A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A plus B whole square equals A square plus B square plus 2AB. Hence proved. Now let's prove a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. To prove it, I have taken a triangle of side A. This whole side is A, and I have divided it into two parts, that is a minus b and b. So this whole part will be A, this will be a minus b, and this will be b. So I can say that this will be b, this will be b, and this will be a minus b, and this also will be a minus b, and this will be b. So let's divide this also into four parts, that is first one, first part, second part, third part, and fourth part. Now let's take the total area of square. Total area will be A. This is a square of side A. The area will be A square. So let's take area of 1, 2, 3 and 4 also. Area of 1. 1 is a square with side A minus B. So the area will be A minus B whole square. And area of 2. 2 is a rectangle with length A minus B and width B. So that will be A minus B into B. And area of third one is also a rectangle with A minus B length and B breadth. That will be A minus B into B. And area of fourth one will be square of a side B. So it will be B square. Now total area will be sum of area 1, 2, 3, 4. So area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of 3 plus area of 4. So total area is A square. Now the area 1 will be A minus B whole square, and area 2 will be A minus B into B, and area 3 is also A minus B into B, and area 4 is B square. Now let's solve this. A square equals A minus B whole square plus distributive property AB minus B into B, B square, plus AB minus B into B, B square, plus B square. Further solving, A minus B whole square equals, plus A minus B plus AB minus 2B square plus AB plus B square. Rearranging this, I get A minus B whole square plus 2AB minus 2B square plus B square. So A square equals to A minus B whole square plus 2AB minus 2B plus B square. Here minus 2B plus B square will be minus B square. That is A minus B whole square plus 2AB minus B square. Let's rearrange and take A minus B to one side. So A square, I can take 2AB minus B square to LHS. That will be minus 2AB plus B square equals A minus B whole square. Let's write it down properly. Then I get A minus B whole square equals A square plus B square minus 2AB. So we got LHS equals to RHS, that is hence proved. Let's see the proof of A square minus B square equals A plus B into A minus B. To prove this, I have taken a square with side A. So the total area will be of square is A square, and I have considered a square with side B as 2. The second area will be it is a square with side b, it will be b square. What if I want the area of the first part, that is the part excluding the second square? That is, area of first part will be total area minus area of second part. So total area is a square and the area of second part is b square. So area of first part will be a square minus b square, which is the LHS for our proof. So let's take this as equation 1. And there is another method by which also we can find the area of second part. Let me redraw it here. So this is the side B, this full is A. As we have taken out a B here, this part will be A minus B and this whole part will be A and this part will also be A minus B. What if I've cut this rectangle with A minus B as breadth and B as length and take this and joint it here? That means I get another rectangle with this as A and this small region, that is this, I have rotated it in 90 degrees. So I'll get B here. As we can say, this is A minus B. This will also be A minus B and this will be B and this whole part will be A. As this is A minus B, this will also be A minus B. So this will be similar to the area of this figure. This is a rectangle with side A plus B and breadth A minus B. So the area will be A plus B into A minus B. As we got the area of first one as A plus B into A minus B, and the area of first one is also A square minus B square. So we can say that A square minus B square equals to A plus B into A minus B. This is the proof of A square minus B square equals to A plus B into A minus B. Hence proved. Thanks for watching.